I'm Hope.
I'm Brooke. And this is Pepsi.
And number 2. Cheers. My Coke sticker.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Your name is taller with mine more round.
I don't care.
Kind of kid.
Face.
Tell them what we're doing.
We are having a burping contest.
And yes,
no, I'm sorry. A belching contest.
Yes.
No, burp, we belch.
Yes. Thing is gross. Get over it. Let it rip.
Who?
You.
Your turn.
I got it.
Do it. Come on, what's wrong with you today? Gulp it down, it helps.
Amazing how we know this. Oh, we're so ladylike.
I know. Oh, my mommy taught me to use manners. Excuse me.
Excuse me. Yeah, we kind of took me off guard. Golly, cat.
Hope will be back momentarily. Be begging your pardon, miss. Much better. It's about time you caught on.
I had it in my mouth and now my throat is burning. I almost choked.
I think I need to pour me a little bit more of.
We drove 15 minutes just to get that. Just for you.
Remember when we drank a whole 2 liter? Out of the 2 liter? That was cherry. It didn't help as much.
What is wrong with me? Normally I sound like a man.
Trust me, I know. Don't look at me like that. You said it.
Cool. We done drunk half of one already.
Nothing.
Aww. You know what we forgot?
Oh,
our tunes.
Sorry about that.
Boys, ever met a real country girl?
I hit my lip.
Ah.
Out in the woods, down home.
Ooh.
Hot little number in a pickup truck. Daddy sweet money done got you up.
Excusez-moi.
I just wait for mine. Oh, that was weak.
Sound like a 2-year-old.
Who?
Me. You should hear my little brother. He's 10 and said look he's 40. He'll be in our next video, I promise.
Not our next one, but one of them.
Crazy mother trucker, undercover lover, makes something wrong, sexy swinging wall, brother she's on. Country, from a cowboy blues to her down home.
Where are our manners? Excuse me.
That's the way she was born and raised. She ain't afraid to stay. Country. Nothing but country.
Good one. You messed it up.
No, I didn't.
That sounded like John. Why are you looking up the dictionary?
It's because I'm gonna look up a certain word. Flashy.
And pee now. Put that up.
Where? Okay, I'm gonna read to you from the dictionary. You were?
No. Next one. Next one.
Oh, that's such a cool word.
Next one.
Okay, page 186. Pour
I'm
me
beating
some,
you.
my good pal.
I'm beating you.
No, you're not.
Please, I am. One, I'm better. Two, they like me more.
Please, I had had many belches before you, Aaron. That were good ones. Not weak, puny ones.
Whatever. Look, we drank all that already. In only 7 minutes. Gotta run all this off.
I caught back up. Stop!
All of that for that.
Sorry. Kiss me.
What are you doing?
Oh no.
Would you stop it?
Turn it up so they can't hear.
It don't matter. It's for my entertainment, not theirs.
I know, but I like this music.
Well, now you have to start the whole song over again, so now you have to hear it.
Oh.
Song again.
Excuse me. I don't know what to do. Ooh. Ooh, give me a little more.
Oh!
Oh, do you have the pee-pee?
You poor weird.
There's are. Whole Pepsi in 9 minutes and 25 seconds.
Don't worry, I can take that. Don't make you really proud to be. That makes me like a
Sorry.
They all sound weird.
No, they don't.
Yeah, they sound strange.
They're not. These things come natural in me.
that makes me a little